Data science is a field that involves using statistical and computational techniques to extract insights and knowledge from data. It encompasses a wide range of techniques, including data cleaning, data visualization, statistical modeling, machine learning, and more. Data science is becoming increasingly important in today's world as the amount of data being generated continues to grow at an unprecedented rate. This data can come from a variety of sources, including social media, sensors, and online transactions. By using data science techniques, businesses and organizations can gain valuable insights into their operations and make better informed decisions. In addition to helping businesses and organizations, data science can also be used to solve complex problems in fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. For example, data science can be used to improve the accuracy of medical diagnoses, detect fraudulent financial transactions, and optimize transportation routes.